Today I am going to share authentic masala lollipop chicken recipe. Simple and easy, anyone can make it. Chicken lollipop marination preparation. Chicken lollipop, 20 pieces. Chicken lollipop transfer to the bowl. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each. Chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Kashmir chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add 2 eggs. Flour, a half cup. Corn flour, a third cup. Pinch of red food color. Mix well. Done. Deep fry. Fry 10 to 12 minutes. Shake excess oil. Done. Oil 2 teaspoon. Chopped ginger, garlic, 1 tablespoon each. Stir fry 1 minute. Chopped onion 2 tablespoon. Fry few seconds. Sriracha hot chili sauce 2 tablespoon. Stir and mix. Soy sauce 2 tablespoon. White vinegar 1 teaspoon. Sauté 1 minute. Ketchup 3 tablespoon. Brown sugar 1 teaspoon. Mix. Cornstarch slurry. Simmer 1 minute. Add fried chicken, lollipop. Mix. Fresh coriander leaf, 1 tablespoon. Mix. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.